Hello, code lovers, and welcome. So far, we've seen how to compare if one number is bigger or smaller than another. What if we want to check if two things are exactly the same? This is super common, like checking if a user entered the correct password or a specific discount code. Today, we're going to explore how to do just that in JavaScript using equality operators. Let's get it started. Okay, first things first. In JavaScript, there are two ways to check for equality. One is smart and reliable, and the other, it can get a little weird. Let's imagine we're building a simple checkout page for an online store. We have a special discount code. The valid code is promo25, all uppercase. Let's create a variable for our store's official code and another for what a user might type in. So I write const official code equals to single quote all uppercase promo 25 semicolon. Next, const user entered code equals to single quote promo 25. Exactly like official code. Great, now we want to see if the user's code matches the official one. To do this, we'll use the strict equality operator, which is three equal signs. This operator is strict because it checks two things. First, is the value the same? Is promo25 the same as promo25? And second, is the data type the same? Are they both strings? So let's use it in an if statement. So I write if set of parentheses user entered code equal sign official code. Inside curly braces, I write console.log single quote success. Your discount has been applied. Semicolon. If I run this, we should see the success message because promo25 is exactly the same as promo25 in both value and type. So I run it. Perfect. We got success message. Now what about that other operator? It's called the loose equality operator, and it uses two equal signs. This one is loose because it only checks the value and tries to convert the types if they are different. This can lead to some unexpected results. Let's look at a new example. Imagine we have a special numeric code 100 for our 100th customer. So I write const a special numeric code equals to 100 semicolon. Next, const user input equals to single quote 100. Notice that a special numeric code is a number, but the second one, user input, is a string. Now, what happens if we use the strict operator here? So I write if special numeric code equal sign user input console.log single quote strict check colon this will not run semicolon. And if I run this code, nothing happens. Why? Because even though the values look the same, their types are different. One is number and the other is a string. The strict operator says, nope, not the same. Now let's try the loose operator, two equal signs. If a special numeric code equal sign, user input, console.log, single quote, loose check, colon, this will run because of type conversion, exclamation mark, semicolon. And if I run this, well, this time it works. The loose operator converted the string 100 to the number 100 before comparing. While this might seem helpful, it can hide bugs in your code. So here's the most important rule. Always use the strict equality operator, three equal signs. It's safer and more predictable. If you need to compare different types, convert one of them yourself first. We'll see how to do that next. Alright, let's make this interactive. We can ask the user for input using a simple command called prompt. A prompt will pop up a small window asking the user a question. Let's ask for password. So I write const secret password equals to single quote, I don't know, maybe pizza? Yeah, pizza. So semicolon. Next, const password attempt equals to prompt. Now, inside the parentheses, we should write our message. So I write, please enter the password, colon, and semicolon. Next, we want to see what user entered as the password. So console.log password attempt, semicolon. Next, we want to check what type password attempt is. So I write console.log type of password attempt, semicolon. Type of will check the type of password attempt and then it will tell it to us. So if I run this, okay, a box appears. Type anything in, like I write, I don't know, taco. And I hit OK. Look at the console. You'll see what you type. And you'll see its type is a string. This is important. Prompt always gives you a string, even if the user types numbers. Now, let's use our knowledge. Let's create a real check. Alright, if password attempt, strict equality, secret password, then console.log, single quote, welcome, exclamation mark, you have access, semicolon. Else if password attempt. Now I want to use here something else that called a strict inequality operator. It checks if two things are not strictly equal. So exclamation mark, two equal signs, secret password, then console.log, single quote, sorry, wrong password. Semicolon. If I type pizza, I get the welcome message, so I write. You see? If I run it again and write something else, like taco, and I get the rejection message, it works perfectly because we are comparing a string from the prompt with our string variable. Now I want to say it again. The strict inequality operator is the exact opposite of a strict equality operator. It checks if two things are not strictly equal. Now, what if we have multiple correct answers or different levels of access? We can handle this with an else if block. Let's build a simple login system for a website with a regular user and an admin. So I write const entered username equals to prompt single quote enter your username colon, and inside the parentheses I write try double quote user and or double quote admin semicolon. Let's write our if statement. So if entered username strict equality operator again single quote admin, then console.log single quote welcome admin, you have full control semicolon. Next, else if entered username user console.log hello user, welcome to your dashboard semicolon. And else as a default part, else console.log username not recognized. Please try again. Semicolon. Let's break this down. First, the code checks if the username is admin. If it is, then message is shown and the rest is skipped. If it's not admin, it moves to the else if and checks if the username is user. If so, it shows the user message. If it's neither of those, the final else block runs as a fallback. This structure is incredibly powerful for making decisions in your code. You can have as many else if blocks as you need. And now let's test it. So I run it. Inside the prompt, I write admin. Click OK. Yeah, we get welcome admin. You have full control. And again, for neither of those, maybe friend. And yeah, username not recognized. Please try again. Well, that's it. You now know how to check for equality, why you should always be strict about it, and how to build logic for multiple conditions. Happy coding! But, guys, please subscribe and see you next time.